Good morning everyone! Naghahanap ka ba ng mid-rise condominium dito sa Port Bonifacio, Taguig City? Ito yung bagong ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. 2 bedrooms ito, tapos mayroon ka ring maid's room, 3 toilet and bathroom, floor area 78.5 square meter. Matatagpuan mo ito dito sa St. Moritz Private Estate, McKinley West, Port Bonifacio, Taguig City. Malapit nga pala ito sa St. Luke's Hospital, Grand Hyatt Hotel, Shangri-La Hotel, International Manila, Aura Premier, Bonifacio Heights Street, at marami pang malalapit na establishment. Ito ay developed by Mega World. At itong pinto na to, ito naman yung maid's room with on toilet and bathroom. Tara, puntahan naman natin yung first toilet and bathroom mo dito.